Hey friends, if you wish to create a shortcut on desktop in Windows, then please watch this video. So one method is to right click on the right click in the open space, select new shortcut and give the path of the file. Okay, but I'll give you a better method for it. Let's say you need to create a shortcut for Chrome. I'll delete Chrome from here. Okay, so that I could show and search for Chrome in the Windows search bar. Right click on Chrome and then select open file location. Right click on Chrome and then select this option here. Wait a minute. Show more options and then create a shortcut and then on the desktop. So this is an easier method. Otherwise, you can obviously copy the path of any file or folder here and then create a shortcut for that. But people want shortcut for applications. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.